What's up guys, in this video today I am going to show you the top 5 best welding clamps. Welding clamps are commonly used to hold material in place while welding, to hold two or more pieces together during the welding process, or to act as a ground connection for the electrical current running through the metal. There are a lot of products available to choose to welding clamps, each with excellent characteristics, benefits, and prices to help you make an informed decision. I have done deep research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best welding clamps products from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. IRWIN Welding Clamps. If you need welding clamps that can handle different shapes, sizes, and materials, you might want to consider this IRWIN clamp. The clamp has a wide opening jaw, which is suitable for thicker materials. All you have to do is adjust the turn screws to ensure custom fit, and the clamp will stay on the material. It is heat-treated alloy steel construction, which makes it quite durable. Wide opening jaws provide greater versatility in clamping a variety of shapes. Swivel pads hold tapered work, awkward fabricating jobs, and delicate projects without damaging the work surface. Turn screw adjusts pressure to fit work and stays adjusted for repetitive use. Constructed of high-grade heat-treated alloy steel for durability. Positive side of this product: flexible and versatile. Easy to work with. Sturdy construction. Great locking force. Comes with swivel pads. Suitable for delicate materials. Negative side of this product: not suitable for heavy-duty use. Number 2. BAYTORY Welding Clamp. Most welding clamps rely on friction and grip strength to ensure the clamp remains firmly attached to the project while the user is welding, but those methods of gripping the metal can scratch paint or damage chrome. The BAYTORY Magnetic Welding Ground Clamp is designed with a powerful magnet that relies on magnetic force to attach to steel and other metals, instead of clamping down on the metal. It's incredibly easy to put into position. The user just needs to attach a grounding wire to the conductive copper rod. However, the manufacturer doesn't note the maximum grounding amperage, so it isn't recommended to use this product to ground more than 200 amps. Additionally, if the magnet is attached to thin metals, removing it can warp the metal, so it's important to be careful about selecting the materials to use with a magnetic welding ground clamp. Positive side of this product: eliminates the possibility of scratching workpiece material grounds through the copper clamp and conductive rod. Easy to set up with the strong magnetic grip. Negative side of this product: magnetic force may warp thinner metals. Manufacturer does not state the maximum grounding amperage. Number 3. MAXPOWER Thick Rail F Clamp. This F-clamp design makes it easy to open or close the jaws by simply moving the sliding arm up or down the main body of the tool. Users can then further tighten or loosen the jaws by turning the handle to adjust the position of the black oxide spindle. At the top of the spindle, there is a floating swivel pad that forms the movable side of the jaws. This floating swivel pad reduces the risk of damaging the clamp material and also improves the grip of the clamp. Use this clamp for a range of projects, including welding, woodworking, furniture making, or even metalworking. The drop-forged steel construction is incredibly durable, as well as resistant to rust and corrosion. It also has a wide jaw width that opens up to 12 inches. However, this clamp comes with a high price point. Positive side of this product: quick jaw adjustment along the steel arm. Heavy-duty drop-forged steel construction. Broad jaw width opens up to 12 inches. Floating swivel pad jaws for better grip. Negative side of this product: high price. Number 4. BETOOLL Welder's Angle Clamp. Welding corners together can be a hassle when the welder doesn't have the appropriate clamps to keep the pieces of the project from shifting or moving during the welding process. This 2-axis clamp from BETOOLL is made from heavy-duty cast iron to help grip pieces of metal, like plates, angle iron, square tubing, and pipes. The clamp is designed to hold two pieces at a 90-degree angle without slipping or shifting. This product comes with a two-way swivel-mounted spindle that can be used to adjust the position of the clamping block in order to work on pieces of different thicknesses. Despite this impressive adjustment capability, the clamp has a maximum jaw width of 2.5 inches, so it's best used for holding relatively thin pieces of pipe or tubing. Positive side of this product: two-way, swivel-mounted spindle. Heavy-duty cast iron construction. Ideal for holding plates, angle iron, and square tubing. Holds workpieces at a 90-degree angle. Negative side of this product: not effective for material wider than 2.5 inches. Number 5. MAXPOWER Heavy C-Clamp. The MAXPOWER set includes 3 C-clamps of different sizes. Those are 6-inch, 11-inch, and 6-inch clamp with regular tips. These MAXPOWER clamps are made from carbon steel and feature nickel coating. Therefore, these are durable, corrosion-resistant clamps. Additionally, the swivel pads are useful for preventing damage when using wood or other softer materials. The locking mechanism can be adjusted as well, and the clamps have a trigger release function. Positive side of this product: great starter kit for newbies. 3 types of clamps. Feature swivel pads. Adjustable locking mechanism. Easy to use. No rusting. Smart design, great for working in tight spaces. Has a lifetime warranty. Negative side of this product. Can walk a bit when used with wood. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoy the videos, please daily so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product price, do check out my description box. You can for any kind of problem, please comment below.